Good morning children. How are you all? Welcome back to the math class. Now I want to recap yesterday's topic. Now I will ask a few questions children. Give the answers. Which is the smallest one digit number? Yes, 1. 1 is the smallest one digit number. Which is the smallest two digit number children? Yes, 10. 10 is the smallest two digit number. Which is the smallest three digit number? Yes, 100. 100 is the smallest three digit number. Which is the greatest one digit number? 9. Which is the greatest two digit number? Yes, 99. Which is the greatest three digit number? 999. So, our topic is also numbers up to 999. Numbers up to 999. 999 is the greatest three digit number. See children, what you are observing here? Some numbers are there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Some numbers are there. So all these numbers are arranged on a line. So that is called number line. What is that children? Number line. See here. What is this children? Smiley ball. Yes, smiley ball. So the ball, how it moves? It will bounce. Okay, it will bounce. See here, the smiley ball wants to move from this side to that side. From one side to another side, it wants to reach. So here, the smiley ball wants to bounce on the numbers. So here numbers are there. It likes numbers very much. So it bounces on the numbers by jumping. See here, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 next 5, 5 after 6, 6 after 7. So it moves and reaches to another side. So here moving from one number to the next number, one number to the next number and going on. So that is called forward counting. Moving from one number to the next number is called forward counting. See here, one girl is there. One girl is there. She wants to go to home from the school. From the school to home. And this side home. So she wants to move from school to home. So on the way she observed some pebbles. Some pebbles she observed, and on that pebbles some numbers are there. So on that pebbles some numbers are there. See children here. So the girl moved from school to first pebble, 483. 483. And next she moved to 484. And next number 485. And next number 486. And what is the next number children? 487. Then she reached her home. So here she moved from one pebble to another pebble. One pebble to the next pebble. Whatever the numbers are there, she is reading and moving. Okay children, this is called forward counting. Yesterday I went to the shop. Yesterday I went to the shop and I purchased one teddy bear. Okay children, yesterday I went to the shop and I purchased one teddy bear. So to the shop I took some money. I took some money. So here, can you identify how much the value of this note? Yes, 500. So I think all of you know to identify this number. So 500 number is there on this. Okay. So in first class you learned numbers up to 500 and now you are going to learn some more numbers more than 500. Are you ready, children? Okay, children. See here numbers from 501 to 600. Here one boy is there. His name is Vijay. His name is Vijay. And here his house is there. His house is there at the corner. So the Vijay wants to move from 501 number to 600 number because there his house is there. So here some missing numbers are there. So some missing numbers are there. By feeling that the Vijay wants to move to his house. So shall we help him? Yes. See children here. What is the first number here? 501. So 501 after which number will come? 502. 501 after which number will come? 502 number will come. Okay children. Next. 503. Next. 504. Next. 505. 505 after which number will come children? 506. Next 507. 507 after which number will come children? 508. 508 after 509. And 509 after which number will come children? 510. But already 510 is there. So no need to write that. And next line 510 after which number will come? 511, 512, 513, 514. Already it is there. So no need to write that. And the next one is 515, 516, 517, 518. Already 518 is there. So no need to write that. The next one 519, 520. 2 lines completed. And the next one 520 after which number will come? 521. So already 521 is there. So no need to write that number again. So next number 521 next 522, 523, 524, 525, 526. Already 526 is there na? So no need to write that number again. So 526 next which number will come? 527. 528. 529. 530. So 530 here. So the next number is 531. 531. So 531 after which number will come? 532. But already 532 is there na? So no need to write that number and go to the next number. 533, 534, 535, 536, 537, 538, 539. Next 540 will come, but already 540 is there na, so no need to write that. 540, and 540 next which number will come? 541, 542, 543, 544, already it is there. So the next number we have to write. 544 after which number will come? 545. So 545. So 546. 547. 548 is there. So next 549. Next 550. 550. So 550. Next which number will come? 551. So here 551. 552. 553. 554. Next which number will come? 555. But already 555 is there. So no need to write that number again. So 555. Next which number will come? 556. 556. Next 564. 565. 566. 567, already it is there. So 568. 569. Okay children. Next 570. 571. 572. 573. Next 574, already it is there. So 575. 576. 577. 578. 579, already it is there. So 580. So 581, already it is there. Next 582. 583. 584. 585. 586, already it is there. So 587. 588. 589. 590. 590, next which number will come children? 591. Next 592. 592, next which number will come? 593 will come. So already 593 is there now here. So no need to write that number. So 593 after which number will come? 594. Next 595. 596. 597. 598. 599. 599 after which number will come? 600. What is this? 600. So Vijay reached to his house by filling the missing numbers. So these are the numbers from 501 to 600. Okay children? And from these numbers, I want to ask a few questions. See here. I will show any one number. You have to read that number. What is this number, children? What is this number? 516. See children, all hundreds are with 3-digit numbers. Okay? So 516. And next, what is this number? 544. And what is this number, children? 567. And what is this number, children? 579. And what is this number, children? 600. Yes, children. Now you learn the numbers from 501 to 600. Children, we are going to learn some more numbers. Okay. Now we completed numbers 501 to 600. And the next series of numbers, that is 601 to 700. And how to write 601 to 700, children? See here once. See here once. Here one monkey is there, and this side bananas are there. This monkey wants to reach these bananas. So we have to help monkey by writing the missing numbers. 601 to 700. Okay children, 601 to 700. Here some numbers they gave, and the rest of the numbers we have to write. So here all the numbers, once you observe children, some are in pink color and some are in blue color. So you have to fill the numbers like this. And in second class you are following the box book now. So you have to write neatly. 601 to 700. These numbers are 601 to 700. And what is the next series of numbers, children? Yes, 701 to 800. One model I showed you now how to write numbers. So the same way you have to follow. See, this is 701 to 800. See here also, these also missing numbers. So here two colors of numbers are there now. So we have to fill the missing numbers. See here, 701, 702, 703, 704, 705, 706, 707, 708, 709, 710. And next 711, 712, so on the numbers. So till 800. So these numbers are from 701 to 800. And what is the next series of numbers? Yes, 801 to 900. So we have to write the missing numbers or continuation numbers, whatever it may be. We have to write the numbers in forward counting. One number after one number we have to write. See children here. These are the numbers from 801 to 900. See children here. 801 to 900. So all the numbers you have to Write neatly. 801, 802, 803, 804, 805, 806, 807, 808, 809, 810. Like that, all the numbers are there up to 900. Up to 900 numbers are there. So, shall I ask any one number here to read? Yes. What is this number, children? 846. What is this number, children? 862. What is this number, children? 888. And what is this number? 900. Yes, these are the numbers from 801 to 900. And what is the next series? Yes, 901 to 999. Because our chapter is numbers up to 999. That's why here we wrote numbers 901 to 999. So here first which number will start? 901, 902, 903. Like that the numbers will move forward. So here in the middle, from the middle I will start, children. See here. What is this number? 981, 982, 983, 984, 985, 986, 987. So like that the numbers will move. And see, what is this number, children? 997. Next one, 998. What is the next number? 999. So here we are not writing any other number because our numbers are up to 999. That's why here one box is left over. So children, in this class all of you learn numbers up to 999. 501 to 999 you learn the numbers. Children, here this girl, she moved from this side to that side just before, like forward counting. Again that girl wants to come back to the same position. So here this girl stepped on the pebble of 438 number. So she stepped on 438. Again back. 437. And again she stepped on the pebble of 436. Again she stepped back 435. So moving backward, one number to the before number, moving from one number to the before number is called backward counting. Let us do a small activity, children. How many fingers are there here? Yes, 10 fingers are there. How many fingers are there? 10 fingers are there. Now 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. These are called backward counting numbers. Okay, children? Children, here one girl is there. This girl's house is here. This girl's house is here. This girl went to the pond to bring some water. So, while return back to the home, she forgot the way. So, here some clues are there. Okay, here some clues are there. She has to, by filling this numbers, by filling this backward numbers, we have to help to that girl. Okay, are you ready, children? You have to tell me the answer. I will write here. What is the first number here? 750. 750 backward number. 749. 749 before number. 748. 748 before number is, yes, 747. Okay. 747 before number is 746. 746 before number is 745. 745 before number is 744. 744 before number is 743. The girl is coming back to the house now. That's why backward counting. Already in that small activity I told now that backward numbers 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So in ones place number you have to check all those things. So here 743 before number is 742. 742 before number is 741. 741 before number is 740. Here 740 before, here 40. First check that 40 number. 40 before is 39. So 740 before number is 739. And this girl reached the house. So like this girl reached the house by counting the backward numbers or with the help of backward numbers. So these are called backward numbers. So in this session you learn forward counting and backward counting. Forward counting means moving the numbers from one number to the next number. And what is the backward counting? Moving the numbers from one number to the before number. That is called backward counting. Children, now we will do one activity. What is this here? Abacus. So here abacus, 3 strings are there. See here, ones, tens, hundreds. 3 places are there. Now we are going to prepare one model of abacus. So what are the things required for that? So you can take any empty box. See here, biscuit box I took. Biscuit packet box I took. You can take any empty box, shoe box or any box you can take. So box, cover that, and ice cream sticks or straws or anything. And then rubber bands. So 3 colors of rubber bands you have to take, because for ones place, tens place, hundreds place we have to differentiate. So take the rubber bands. So here, see children, here, see here, ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So here 3 place values you have to prepare and you can do the sums on this abacus. So here, what is the first number? 380. So here 0 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place. So here in ones place 0 is there. So we should not keep any rubber band here. And what is the tens place number? 8. So here we have to take 8 rubber bands. So see children here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 rubber bands are there in tens place. And in hundreds place, which number is there in hundreds place? 3 is there in hundreds place. So take another color of rubber bands. So here 1, 2, 3. So 3 rubber bands are there in hundreds place. So 380. What is the answer here? 380. So like this you can play with this abacus. So one more children here. Shall we take 2-digit number? 66. So here hundreds place is not there. In ones place 6 is there and in tens place also 6 is there. So let us see. So in ones place 6 is there. So here see children, I want to keep the rubber bands in ones place. How many? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again in tens place also 6 rubber bands we have to keep. So 6 tens 16. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer now? In tens place and ones place only the rubber bands are there. In hundreds place nothing is there. So 66 is the answer. So like this you can prepare and you also play with that. Okay children? Thank you and we'll meet the next class.